Let's take a look at this tamale right here. Porter Kalulaski. That's a nice one right there. Invested some money at 3.5%. And $5,000 more than 3 times this amount at 4%. Wow, so it seems like the second investment was a lot more. So he earned a total of $1,404 in annual interest. That's nice. So how much did he invest at each rate? How much did he invest at 3.5%? And how much did he invest at 4%? Alright, so I'm going to kind of do the same kind of logic and mathematics as I did in example 6a. So I'm actually going to start with my little table that I created last time. So 1, 2, 3, and then I did my little table here. Fix that right there. There we go. And go across right here. Alright, cool. So we have principal times rate times time equals interest. Alrighty. So this will be our first one. And this will be our second one right here. Our second investment. So let's take a look at the first investment. So Porter invested some money. Some money. I have no idea what this is. So if I say some money, I have no idea what it is. I'm going to call that X right there. So X is my some money. That's how much my principal was. That's how much I put down. My rate is 3.5%. So let's multiply that or divide that by 100 to get the decimal. So it's going to be 0.035. The time again is annual. So 1 year. So if I multiply all those together, I get 0.035x. Okay, come over here now. And he invested $5,000 more than, so $5,000 more than 3 times this amount. So 3 times this amount. So that will be our principal for this guy. 3x plus 5,000. Okay. Our rate was 4%, so 0.04. Our year is 1, so we're going to multiply this together. So 0.04 times 3x plus 5,000. Okay. So same thing like we did on the last problem. We're going to take the first interest and add that to the second interest. And that's all going to equal 1440 because that's what it says of the total annual interest earned. So let's go ahead and set up that equation then. So 0.035x plus, now this whole guy, 0.04 times 3x plus 5,000. And that equals our total, which is 14,040. I'm sorry, 1440. Alright, well let's go ahead and solve this then for x. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this guy down right here. Multiply 0.04 times 3x and get 0.12x. 0.04 times 5,000 is going to give us 200, and that's going to be equal to 1440. I can combine these two guys right here together. So if I do 0.35 plus 0.12, let's see here, points. Hold on here. Oh yeah. 0.155x. Let's see. Yes. Plus 200 equals 1440. Subtract 200 from both sides. Alright, so those guys are gone. I get 15x equals 1240. I'm going to divide both sides by 0.155. So we'll get x as being 8,000. And the question was, how much did he invest at each rate? So what was this principal and what was this principal? So for our first investment, it was $8,000 at a rate of 3.5%. Okay, so that was the first investment. And then for the second investment, we just got to plug it into here. So it's 3 times 8,000. Okay, so I'm plugging this in right here. Plus 5,000. And so I get 24,000 plus a 5,000. And so we're going to get a nice $29,000, and that was at a rate of 4%. So we have two investments made, one at $8,000 and one at $29,000.